If you're eager to succeed on Fiverr, we've got some valuable tips and tricks to help you out. First off, take the time to analyze the top-ranking gigs in your service category, study what makes them successful, and incorporate similar strategies into your own gig. One important aspect of optimizing your gig is keyword placement. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your gig title, search tags, and description. Be specific in your choice of primary and secondary keywords, as this will attract the right audience. Next, consider your pricing strategy. Set competitive prices for your services, and think about offering multiple packages for each gig. However, be cautious with unlimited revisions, as this could potentially lead to excessive work. Another crucial step is to write a thorough gig description. Highlight what you can do for buyers, and be clear about your services. Avoid overpromising by setting realistic expectations. Your profile picture plays a significant role too. Use a high-quality headshot as your profile picture, and avoid using selfies or photos with distracting backgrounds. Remember, professionalism is key. Creating a video for your gig thumbnail is highly recommended. If this is not possible, ensure you use a professional photo of yourself. Visual content will help attract more buyers. To showcase your skills and expertise, include samples of your work in your gig. This will give potential buyers an idea of what to expect from you. Additionally, being active on the Fiverr platform is essential. Try to be online as much as possible and respond promptly to buyer inquiries. Maintaining a high response rate will contribute to establishing your credibility. Always deliver orders on time, and if possible, try to deliver them ahead of schedule. This will leave a positive impression on your buyers and encourage them to come back for more. Finally, make it a point to go above and beyond for your first customers. Impress them with exceptional service and invite them to leave a review. Responding to their reviews will show your commitment to customer satisfaction. By following these valuable tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to succeeding on Fiverr. Good luck!